If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted coming at y'all with another video. Another video? Bro, you been going for a long time. Where you been, man? Where you been? Y'all been asking where I've been, man. I've been on Instagram. man. I've been on Instagram. I plan on getting back on TikTok. I promote most of the time on Instagram. I'm really like, I got a group over there. You know what I'm saying? I got a broadcast group over there. I got a what's that thing called? That thing I be doing? That you be doing? Subscription. I got a subscription over there too as well. I'm already that live over there, active over there, but I plan on doing so if we get enough members over there. Yeah, pretty much this video right here, man, is just updating you guys on what I've been doing, you know what I'm saying? Showing you guys these brushes, these new V2 brushes, man. People to go V2, flawless V2, hard, medium, and soft brush. Who does that? A lot of these people, man, when they drop videos, I ain't no shade towards all my BOBs, but a lot of you guys, when y'all drop brushes, I mean, y'all only do one. I mean, I'm blessed enough to be able to wait when the time is right to invest for you guys all three, because we know it's important to brush with all three: hard, medium, soft brush. So I don't play that. I make sure that, you know what I'm saying, the time is right. I take my time and I drop it when when I should drop them at the right time. You feel me? So we dropped them last week. Been doing pretty good, man. I just want to show you guys. Also, I want to update, give you guys a 360 wave update. If you guys didn't know, the last time I did a video, I had 720s. I was updating you guys for a minute on the shorts with the 720s. I stopped, man. I stopped, bro. You feel me? I've been focused a lot on the family channel too. If you guys didn't know, man, I'll be on the family channel. So a lot of you guys do also comment on the family channel. I see the wave. Every time I see somebody comment, sometimes it be waivers, and I see that. I go to their page and it be like waves or whatever. It be like a name like 360 Tsunami something like that. Sometimes I know it's a waiver. So I appreciate y'all for tapping into my personal life. You know what I'm saying? Because I do got a life. I do got kids. I do got a family, you know what I'm saying, that I deal with every day. So I like to film, family content too. I do shorts every day, family content. I do a lot of stuff, man, on that channel over there. People, the Goat Drip family. You know what I'm saying? You guys check that channel out. Subscribe, support, man. But I'm back on this channel, hitting y'all with a update. Yeah, man. I cut my hair. Okay, first thing first. March 5th, I scalped from the 720s. Why you scalp from the 720s, bro? I don't know, man. I didn't perfect them. Like I wasn't flawless, but I got 2 crowns, so it kind of irritated me that my swirl didn't get to the level I wanted to get to. I kept trying, and I ain't saying I gave up, but I just got irritated. You know what I'm saying? My waves is busting though. I had about 5 forks. I was limited on forks. My hair health was on point, obviously, because I was using all my products, all natural. You can get those from poppyblasted.com if y'all didn't know. But I just got kind of irritated with it, and a lot of you guys wanted me to go back 360, so I said, fuck it, I'm gonna go back 360. So that's what I've been doing. I'm back 360. So I scalped March 5th. I didn't cut. I got 1 trim since the scalp. That's the cheat code, man. You don't want to cut at all. Just keep on pushing that wolf. Keep on trying to manage that wolf throughout the whole time, bro. Don't cut. If you feel like you need to cut, trim a little bit. So cut with a 4, trim with a 4, or do a freehand trim with no guard. But you got to make sure your barber know what he's doing though. Me, I cut my own hair. I don't shape up my own hair, but I cut my own hair. So what I did was hit it with a 4 with the grain just to trim off the top. That's all I did since March 5th. And then I got a cut yesterday. Actually, 2 days ago, I got a cut, which was the 26th. So that's August 26th. So we got March, April, May, June, July, August. So 5 months. 5 months and some change I was woofing. Only 1 trim, got a cut, washed and styled, unragged, showed it on my last short. If you guys didn't watch that on the channel, on the Instagram. And then the next day I went to the barbershop to get a shape up, because obviously you need a shape up. Like I said, I don't know how to shape up and do all that, and all I know how to do is how you brush. You go with the grain. You know the guard you're using, proper guard. I hit it with a 2 with the grain, close. So it's a pure 2 all around. except for the crown area. Hit the crown area with a 3, which I should have probably hit it with a 3.5 because it's a little shorter than I wanted it to be. So now I know next time. That's why I come out here myself, because then I learn from my own mistakes. I don't gotta blame him. I could blame myself and know, okay, next time I'm gonna go with a higher guard on my crown. That's why I did that. So I'm gonna show you guys right now my hair. So I pretty much woofed the 5.5 months with no cuts. For real. Y'all know, man, I've been doing this, bro. Other than that, man, I just been focusing on life, man, family, just trying to build, man, generational wealth, trying to do the right thing, man, in life. Like I said, I've been on the family channel a lot. I'm gonna try to start getting back on this channel more. I know you guys want to see more. I ain't trying to make this video too long either, because it's already been like 6 minutes and I just been talking. But at the same time, if y'all ain't saw me in a long time, you're gonna listen to me, right? Because y'all want to know what I'm talking about. If y'all want to know what I've been up to. So that's what I'm doing. As far as you see my arms and shoulders, man, I gained a little weight. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get back in shape, bro. Like I'm not a robot, bro. Like I be so busy, I still be in the gym, but at the same time, I'm trying to eat healthy. I'm trying to do this. I'm getting older, stuff like that. So of course I'm not back fat, but I gained weight. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably about 20 pounds heavier than I normally would be. A lot of you guys be like, PP, you still look good. You still got muscle. Yeah, I'm still big. I got shoulders, everything, but stomach ain't that big. You know what I mean? Chest cool, but I ain't where I want to be. So I just started getting back in the gym consistently, taking the proper, eating proper foods that I should be eating. You know what I mean? Getting a regimen going on. Anyway, that's besides the point. But I'm just telling y'all about my life, bro. That's it. So let me show y'all, man. I'm on rag right now. I'll show y'all the fresh cut I got yesterday. I went to sleep. Got a brush session in, ragged up, went to sleep. Woke up right now, and this is how we looking, right? See? This is how we looking, man. You know what I mean? So this is 5 months progress. 5 months. 5 months in, bro. 5 months progress from the scalp. From the 720s. Okay? Yeah. That's how we looking. Left side looking like that. I ain't gonna lie, I look pretty good, you feel me? Crown looking like that. I'm trying to get all these forks broken right here, because I'm got a slant low key, because I know my crown is mainly right here. Like I said, I told y'all I cut it kind of shorter. I should have hit it with a 3.5, I hit it with a 3 though. Now I know I'm gonna keep it a little thicker next time. I hit it with a 3. I know I got 2 crowns, my second crown right here, so at the same time, it's always gonna appear to look bigger because I got 2 of them instead of 1. But we trying to get it together. You know what I mean? That's how we looking. I mean, it looked fresher yesterday, obviously, before I put the rag on. But when you put a do-rag on, you sleep on it and all that, it appears to be not as fresh as it was when you went to sleep. That's why you can see that look like right there where my do-rag kind of went up a little bit, all that. But fresh cut, man. New barber as well. I know I tend to change barbers depending on, if I don't know, bro. My barber now I go to is more closer to me. Nothing happened with my other barber. We still cool and all that, but I just had to make things more beneficial and convenient for me. Because I'm far, bro. Like I can't keep going far and drive somewhere else when I could just go to somewhere closer. It's beneficial and less gas. It's cheaper, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I feel like you do a good job, you feel me? So anyways, that's what that is. If you guys didn't know, man, we having a sale also right now, Labor Day sale. Take advantage right now, 25% off site-wide. Use the discount code Labor25 for 25% off site-wide. You can even get 25% off on these. On these too. You see that? V2s, unmatched quality. Yeah. Unmatched quality, bro. You see it. Look. Bro. 100% goated quality, man. No lie, no cap. Hey, check it out. I'm gonna show you why it's 100% goated quality. So look. I'm gonna hit you with the hard brush first. When you get the brush, looks like this. 100% goated quality. You see me on there. You got the logo right there, and then you got the patent pending, of course. So I'm trying to do it because unless you want to go to court. You know what I mean? Unmatched quality, flawless V2 brush, hard brush. See that? I pull it from this side. You can pull it from the top, but I like to pull it from this side. Pull it from this side. Wow. Y'all know, man, it's unmatched quality. Bro, look at that. True hard. Not all that hard, stupid hard, but hard enough to get to the scalp at all lengths and levels of woofing. Don't matter. See the logo right there? You see the grips, always signature grips. Y'all know I'm the first one who started doing this. Somebody else do it, try it. You already know what's gonna happen next. See that? Bam. Logo right there. Logo is never coming off. You can wash your style with these, all that. Logo never coming off. It's embedded into, you know what I mean, the bed of the brush. You know what I'm saying? The wood, the bed. I call it the bed, man. Cause this right here, these are bristles and they land on the bed. You feel me? So this thick, this wood is quality. It's heavy, low key, but then it's not a real heavy where when you brush your hair, it's starting to feel like your head, you lifting weights while you brushing. No, it ain't that heavy. That blue is crazy. You see that? Psh. And to get an example of how big it is, not dissing Torino Pros, because I fuck with Torino Pros too. I use them. I'll be using them sometimes, you feel me, depending. And so no shade, but I just want to give you guys an example of how big this brush is. Check it out. Torino Pro. See that? Come on, man. Look at that, bro. See? That's just to get an example, man, of how big it is. Like I said, no shade on Torino Pro or nothing. I know you guys uses them. I don't want to hear you guys trying to kill me in the comments on some, that's all I want to do is do a comparison. So that way you guys can get an idea of the size of the brush, all right? So that's the meat, that's the hard of me. Let me show y'all the medium. See, same medium, the same thing. Same like design of the box. Let me pull this hard out. Wow. That was a blue. Voila. Gold. Same as the V1s. The V1s, the medium was gold too. The V1s, the hard was a red though. But the V2s hard is that blue that I just showed y'all. And this is a medium. Logo, boom. Logo, boom. Grips, boom. Same, bro, just different, you know. Different color, that's it. And these colors right here, if you can get it right, see how shiny it is? It's not the regular. That's why it's unmatched quality, bro, because this right here is a good metallic-y, you know what I mean, flaky paint. So this paint job, you use the same paint job they use on your car, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what they do. The same shit, all right? You do that, bam. All right? That's the medium. So this the hard right, this is soft right here. And I ain't gonna lie, this is my favorite one. It's my favorite one, bro. Wow. As far as the boxes, you get a slight difference. As far as like on the where it show like what type of brush it is, like if it's a hard, medium, soft. If it's a soft, it's gonna be green. If it's the hard, it's gonna be blue right here. If it's a medium, it's gonna be gold right there. So that's the only difference as far as the box size. And right here too. As far as the box, that's the only difference. There you go, softy. Look at that green, bro. Look at that green goblin. It's like this is like the same color as my old Ferrari. I gotta wrap this color right here. I'm telling you, man, this paint job crazy. You see the shine on it? And we ain't outside, bro. But if we go outside, bro, you'll get stupid shine on this. You'll be able to tell. It's the same, boom. Boom in the back. The grips, bam. Hey, if this video get more than 100 likes, and that's light. This video get more than 100 likes, bro, I'll get a brush session in with these. All three. Brush with me, back in the day, PB. 2013 PB. Brush with me. Y'all ready? Let me know, man. I brush with all three. So comment right now, man. We PB gang, man. PB gang. Comment below. Put some goat emojis in the emojis in the comment section, man. Goat emojis, all right? Goat emojis. Put it in the comment section. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do a brush with me, okay? With all 3 brushes, the new V2s. I will, and we can chop it up and brush, all right? I'm thinking about doing the streaming. I'm thinking about doing all that, man. I know I'll be watching everything, but I know what's popping right now. I already know, man. I'm not lost. I'm not lost in the sauce, bro. I'm still in there, but I just been soaking up game and doing my thing, man. Anyways, man, thank you guys for watching. Catch the sale right now if you guys want these brushes, man. 25% off. Y'all can catch it right now. The sale will be over and soon. So Labor Day sale, 25% off. Use code LABOR25. All right, that's today. Catch it right now. The whole website. The more you add to the website, the better the discount. All right, I'm out of here. If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.